Okay, 70%. Let's go. Ooh.
And it all begins in that 200-meter long tunnel. A special feeling for any skier going through there. Some signs at the beginning at the tunnel warn us of the piste difficulty. The passage is tight, the ice beneath our skis adds to the thrill. Inside the tunnel we are greeted by a mesmerizing light show.
Hopefully we won't use that. Okay.
Emerging from the tunnel, we are faced with a narrow and steep descent where, on busy days, a lot of skiers anxiously await their turns. Not everybody here is an expert, I had to experience. A single misstep here would be disastrous and leading into a long fall zone. This is the pivotal point of the run before we enter the challenging muggle section. Would you dare going down? Comment your decision below.
So there we go.
Now we are navigating into a black-rated muggle run that stretches approximately 500 meters. These icy, uneven muds reach heights up to 50 centimeters. It's a white-knuckle ride that demands precision and control.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Ay, 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 ay.
The view behind us now reveals the difficult muggle section. Thankfully, we are approaching a slightly more relaxed segment here that leads us into a scenic path down the valley. Our journey concludes with an icy but beautiful final descent towards the chairlift. After conquering the demanding sections earlier, this part is manageable and delightful at the end of our epic ski run.
So that was it, Lieutenant. Thanks for watching. If you want to see some other uncut and raw videos on my YouTube channel, just click here. Thanks to Bastian for filming. His channel is linked here. Take a look and see you. Bye.